Meet the SEZNIK Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, your new quick cleaning superhero. With powerful suction and a lightweight body, it cleans dust, crumbs, pet hair, and messes in seconds. Use it anywhere: your sofa, laptop, kitchen counter, or even your car. No more dragging heavy vacuum cleaners. It comes with multiple attachments and washable filters, making it super convenient and cost-effective. From daily touch-ups to deep cleaning small spaces, the SEZNIK Handheld Vacuum makes cleaning fast and effortless. Want one for your home or car? Click the link below and grab yours today. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more such amazing products.